CITV double shuffle.
Yeah.
Well done, girls. You smashed it, and you're officially better singers than me. But if you're at home thinking, I've got talent too, London, then what you got to do, babe?
You right?
Put your talent into this address.
Give us a remote.
ITV.com/scrambled. Get online for your chance to shine.
Oh, God.
So with the end of today's So You Think Scramble's got the X Factor, we come to the end of today's Scramble show.
No.
Bonfire Night, night where we celebrate all the best blonde pilots across the world. Bonfire Night.
Oh, Bonfire Night. Oh, my gosh. Bonfire Night on Sunday tomorrow. Yay!
You gonna go to Bonfire?
Yeah, I hope I'm going Bonfire. I had to stay. I had to keep a pet. I had to keep my pet dog at home because I don't like it.
Oh, you get scared?
Yeah, get scared of him and don't like it. So.
Oh, wait. This Tuesday at 5 o'clock on CITV.
Ooh.
This Tuesday at 5 o'clock on
So
CITV.
looking after the dog then?
I don't know.
5 o'clock
Do you
on
understand?
CITV.
I'm joking, I heard it first.
I don't know.
Okay, make sure you're here tomorrow though for more of your favourite games and cartoons.
Luca, the dog.
Tom and Jerry and brand new to Scramble, make it
Look at the
fun.
dog.
Luca the dog. I mean.
So Scramble Plus, then get on the website.
It's itv.com/scrambled.
Do you take care of a walk on your own?
No.
Until tomorrow.
Next time.
Remember, Scramble.
What are you doing?
Stretching power. Need a kind of building. Stretch Armstrong. Tie him into one shape. Stretch him again and again. Stretch Armstrong. Stretch Armstrong. Only from character.
To keep with the man cave flair. And so we replumbed it so that the shower head is in the middle of the hub.
They need to be in good nick.
Oh, go away.
Okay.
Last chips of gravy.
Puts the kick in. It's a little bit of footwork. He's offside though. Here's Elliot Whitehead.
England versus...
First information.
Who'll be in? Who'll be in?
Le Pen.
Hey?
England v Lebanon. Lebanon. England v Lebanon. England scores 22-6. 22 is England. 6 it's Lebanon. I think. Oh my God, he's winning. He's winning.
Where's Lebanon?
Lebanon, it's the I don't know. England's over there, and then they also got this one. Oh, it's Ned Flanders, isn't it? Oh my gosh! You sing it all the way. Sing it into your head. Oh my dad. Dad's singing it over his head just because of Ned Flanders singing that while planting the flowers. Are you seeing it right now? You better watch it. See green, yellow, purple. Yeah. You thought I'm going to sing it all the way down to around London town. I'll sing it right into a journey. That'll be what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'll be singing to the radio, probably around London. It's modern. What do you mean it's modern? You know, that was, you know, it's a rape face. That's a rape face. KSI, shout out. Clouds, oh my God. Devil, oh my gosh.
Settle in for your morning blockbuster with the Smurfs over on the CITV Movie Club next.
You know that. Something like that.
Smurfs is rubbish.
Now on ITV, a quick look at the latest weekend news.
Very good morning, I'm Richard Pallow. The Conservative Party has suspended their MP Charlie Elphick after what they say are serious allegations were referred to the police. It's the latest in a series of alleged claims that continue to swirl around Westminster. He denies any wrongdoing. Here's Ivor Bennett.